Okay everyone, we are back at the Shell station in Keswick and we are doing the left bay with our newer Maximum ChoiceWash XT for replace the soft wash. Alrighty, what's the code?
43600.
Okay, so the code is... And we got the ultimate touch with wash. It was $15.99 with the gas purchase, and with taxes it came to $18.07. Alrighty, here we go. Sorry about that. Try my best here. Someone's in the offer bay, you can see here. And someone apparently opened their door across the street. I mean, right beside us. Someone's getting betrayed from two across us. guy is going through the dryers too, which is interesting. Here we go. Going park here and see how I ever watched it. Where we were at. Okay, let's see how I ever watched it. Drive really didn't do well here. Didn't do well on the hoods here. Got a bird trap off here. There was a bird trap right in front of the bumper, you can see. Kind of clean for tires, but for some reason I missed here, or that I ran into something. Didn't get off this. A little bit up on the back window, you can see here. And some stuff around here. So yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments below of this one. Whoa, this truck nearly hit the tire scrubber. And it said back up. Looks like he's having troubles with the treader, which is interesting. These treader washers can be hard to navigate these days. Anyways, so looks like he and I got them for the same ultimate touchless wash, and apparently for that they is much quicker than the right. They actually reprogrammed the washers here. They used to do 3 high pressure rinses until they actually did only 1 for some reason. Overall, I really don't like that. I like the 3 high pressure rinse wash better here. So yeah. Anyways, that's the newer Maximum ChoiceWash XT at the Shell gas station in Keswick. Once again, to recap, this used to be an unknown soft touch wash until it was replaced with a SoftWash XT where we were at. And then the upper wash, and then it replaced, and then the SoftWash was replaced with a ChoiceWash XT, which is interesting. And then the ChoiceWash, there was an unknown touchless system in here, and then it was replaced with an older ChoiceWash with older lighters, and then the ChoiceWash was replaced with this here. Someone's getting the soft touch wash, you can see here, the brushes are going. So yeah, let me know what you think of the comments below on this one. Do you like this wash or not? Anyways, that's the Maximum ChoiceWash XT at the Shell station in Keswick. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.